Alright guys, so today we're going to do something a little bit different. In the past, I always tried to give you guys advice on what to do, but today I'm going to take advice from some of you guys. Okay, so not too long ago I released a video where I did these drawers here and I did this little latch here to keep the drawers nice and secure. It doesn't go anywhere. And some viewers made a suggestion that, hey, maybe you should just use some magnets. So I got some magnets in my junk drawer and I'm going to try it. So, this actually works great. It's no issues at all and it's quite strong. The magnets may or may not be strong enough, but we're going to give it a shot. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these magnets, and these are just little cheap rare earth magnet things. You could get them on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description for little magnets for you. They're valuable for, putting things around your car, which is mostly metal. But today we're going to try to use it in this drawer, and I'm going to try to keep it really simple. So I'm just going to use some Gorilla Tape. Just like that. I'm going to need two. I want to use two. And there, just going to stick it on. And I'm going to take two magnets and I'm going to put it on the back side. You got to make sure the polarity is right. Okay, so that should hold it in, and I'm going to tape it. I'm going to tape it to the back side. All right, nothing fancy. You could see the magnet taped to the back side, and that's the way it looks like from the bottom. So now, just a little. Well, it doesn't look like the magnets are strong enough. It is holding, but it doesn't look like it's strong enough. So what I'm going to do, add some more magnets. All right, so I got some more, and yes, just butting up more magnets at the end of the first magnet will make it stronger. All right, let's try it now. That's definitely stronger. But I think I need to add a couple more to really get it right. All right, so I put some magnets on the inside one too. Now, you can see that is really strong, and it might be a little too strong. You see the pull, but we'll keep it just like that. So I used a few magnets to get to the amount of stickiness I want, but we'll try that out. And I won't need to use this latch anymore, and I could take it out, but I'm just going to leave it there for right now just to make sure I like it. Anyways, taking viewer suggestions and trying something, and I think it's pretty good. It's much cleaner than having this latch, of course. Um, so we're going to see how well that works while I'm driving around. Do the drawers want to fly out or not? All right, so now I got them both in, and you can see it'll hold it. We'll try it out, drive around for a while, and see if we need to add more magnets. I mean, I don't see why it wouldn't work. There's nothing adding more magnets wouldn't do. All right, thank you guys.